Hello guys, this is Abhi Bulana and today we will learn about loops. So let's go. What are loops in Java? Basically loops are used to perform the repetitive task. Let's look at one example. Suppose आपको 1 को 10 टाइम्स ऐड करना है तो आप क्या करेंगे? 1 टाइम उसको ऐड करते जाएंगे और ये टास्क आप 10 टाइम्स रिपीट करेंगे। बट ये बहुत इनएफिशिएंट वे है। अगर आपको 100 टाइम्स 1 को ऐड करना हो तो ये और भी इनएफिशिएंट वे है। तो हम इसमें क्या करेंगे कि हम ये टास्क को एक लूप में बाइंड कर देंगे जो लूप 10 टाइम्स ये टास्क को रिपीट करेगी। टाइप्स ऑफ लूप इन जावा। फर्स्ट इज for loop. In for loop, in parentheses, we give three parameters. First is initialization of the variable, second is the condition, and third is the increment or decrement of the variable. And if the condition is true, then the body of the loop will execute, and if the condition is false, then the loop will break. Let's see it in example. Here I have initialized the integer variable I with 0 and I want to repeat the task till I is less than 10 and when loop execute every time I increase I by 1 and this will perform my task 10 times. Let's see it in code. First I am going to demonstrate for loop. First we will write the counting from 1 to 10. So here I will initialize loop with 1 and it will goes up to the 10 and each time I increase I by 1. And here I am going to print I. Now I can run the program and you can see here I will get the output. Now I will write the table of 2. Let me change in the upper loop. I will just multiply 2 by I. And you can see here I will get the table of the 2. Let me do some decoration. जैसे हम बचपन में लिखते थे 2 1s are 2. I will just attach a string with it. Now I can print it and you can see here I will get the table. Second is while loop. In while loop we only give the condition in the parentheses and if the condition is true then the body of the loop will execute and if the condition is false then it will break the loop. Let's see it in example. Here I have given the condition I is less than 10 and in the body I have incremented the I by 1. In while loop the increment or decrement operation is done in the body of the loop and the initialization of the variable is done outside the loop or we can say before the loop. Like here I will execute the condition until I is not greater than 10. Let's see it in code. Here I will demonstrate while loop. First I will initialize I with 1 and give a condition that I is less than 10 in a while loop. And now in body of while loop I will print the I love short tech talks. And here I will increase the I by 1. Now I can run it and you can see here I will get output. But the counting of output is 9 because here I have given condition I is less than 10 but not I is less than or equals to 10. So this will count up to 9. Now I will give equals to also. Now it can print the 10 times this statement. I will also initialize it in the upper but this not cause any error, and I will get the output. Third is do while loop. In do while loop, the task is written inside the do block and condition is given in the while. डू वाइल लूप आपके टास्क को एक बार तो कंप्लीट कर देता है, बट एक बार कंप्लीट करने के बाद वो कंडीशन चेक करता है। अगर वो कंडीशन ट्रू होती है तो वो आपके टास्क को रिपीट करता है, अगर वो कंडीशन ट्रू नहीं होती तो वो लूप से ब्रेक कर जाता है। इन एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव initialize I with 0 and in the do block I have initialized the body and incremented the I by 1. The do block will execute this body one time, but after that condition is checked that I is less than 10 or not. If the I is less than 10, then again the do block will execute and then again the condition will check. And this thing happen until the condition is true, and if once the condition is false, then the loop will break. Let's see while loop. First I will initialize I by 1 and in do statement I will print out the I love short tech talks. Now in while, I will give the condition that I is less than or equals to 10. But this loop will goes on. This loop will not break because I am not going to increase the I. And you can see here. This goes on until the stack is overflow. Now I can increase the I and rerun it. And this is not stopping. Now I have to kill the terminal and run again the program, and you can see here I will get the 10 times statement. Now I can change the condition that I is greater than 10. Since I is 1, it is not greater than 10, so do statement will print I love short tech talk only one time, and you can see here. This is how the do while loop works. Till then, like, share and subscribe. Meet you in next lecture.